In this video I'm just going to show, see how we've got movement, what's inside of here. I'm going to grind these three rivets off now and have a look at the bushes inside. So that's the rivets filed off. Now I'm just going to get a punch and bang them through so they come out from this side. So that's the rivets banged through. So now there's the back of the clutch. So I'm going to take this plate off first. That's what's inside. Then if we wobble, hold on to this front part and wobble this back part for just to show the movement. Like I'll do it there. You can see the movement there. It should be still. But if you look, that's what's causing the movement. You can see on that one there, that's the one I was looking at. See the gap? So these bushes are worn, so just put new bushes in, new rivets, then your clutch will have no free playing again. I'll pop some of these out anyway. And that just slides off. There's all the bushes there. There's a gasket. You've got that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with the gasket. Suppose you could replace the gasket if you put new bushes in. But these are the bushes. There's these little black rubber bits. They're in there. That's the one there. £55k. So anyway, if you've got a clutch and it's rotten, you just need to buy these new bushes and the new rivets. I'm going to have a look for these, then put them in, put that back on and put the rivets back on, so it's all got more movement in. So the new bushes have come today, so we can get these in. These ones is all round, whereas these two of them were round, the ones that came out. Some of them had flat edges anyway. Get the bushes in, just push them in. That's all the bushes in nice and tight now. Now to put this plate back on, clean down. And just put that plate back on, doesn't matter which way it goes on. Then the new rivets have come as well. Centres for. They're the old ones, the ones I grinded the top off. So we'll get these rivets in now. And that's how the rivets should be on that side. They're still slack. Push it out, it's still slack. We'll just push them all into this side, and then we're going to get some resting onto there. The other two will probably drop out now. We're going to rest some onto there, and then bang that down flat, and then do it with these other two. So that's them two rivets in. Just been putting that tool on there, onto there, then banging the rivets back down. So just going to do this one next. I'll try and get this one on camera. I've just put a little bit blue Hylamine in just to keep the rivet in, because they always keep dropping out when you're putting them on there. So that's all the rivets popped over. Got the 3 in there. Now there's not one more bit of play. So that's how you fix your clutch. I've took loads of clutch baskets out where I had loads of play. When you turn that top bit, the saw moves, but now you just put your new dampers in, your new rivets, and that's perfect. Alright, thanks for watching.